Asia market open. Bitcoin holds near $92,000. Equities slip on fresh economic signals. Asia. Bitcoin. Asian stocks slipped as Japan's Nikkei dropped 1.5% after weak household spending data and surging bond yields signaled worsening pressure from inflation. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. About author. Shalini is a crypto reporter who provides in-depth reports on daily developments and regulatory shifts in the cryptocurrency sector. Has also written, Asia market open. Bitcoin holds near $92,000. Equities slip on fresh economic signals. Uniswap founder blasts Citadel for urging SEC to treat DeFi like Wall Street. Kalshi, Robinhood, Crypto.com hit with Connecticut stop order for gambling violations. Asia market open. Bitcoin steadies around $93,000. Stocks drift after weak U.S. prints reinforce Fed cut outlook. Institutional activity climbs this Bitcoin cycle. Tokenized RWAs reach $24 billion. Glassnode. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 34 minutes ago. Bitcoin held just under $92,000 on Friday as traders weighed a heavy mix of labor data, central bank bets and choppy equity markets in Asia, Europe and the U.S. Akshat Siddhant, lead quant analyst at Mudrex, said the crypto market continues to display strong resilience. Renewed whale accumulation is supporting the trend, as ETH whales have added over 450,000 ETH since mid-November, with BTC whales showing similar activity. Even with the U.S. labor market displaying solid strength, the odds for a rate cut this month stand at 93%, contributing to the buying pressure. A clear move above $96,000 could accelerate BTC's momentum toward $100,000, opening the path for fresh highs, he added. Market snapshot. Bitcoin, $92,387, down 1.2%. Ether, $3,174, down 1.1%. XRP, $2.09, down 4.6%. Total crypto market cap, $3.22 trillion, down 1.3%. Japan's weak spending figures drag regional equities lower. In Asia, Japan's Nikkei 225 fell about 1.5%, wiping out this week's gains in a session that otherwise stayed subdued. MSCI's broad index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan slipped roughly 0.1%, although it remained on track for a modest gain of about 0.5% for the week. Fresh data from Tokyo showed household spending in Japan fell at the fastest pace in nearly 2 years in October as inflation squeezed budgets. The yield on 10-year Japanese government bonds touched 1.94% early in the session, the highest since mid-2007, and was set for a rise of about 13.5 basis points for the week. Recent auctions drew solid demand, suggesting investors are taking advantage of cheaper bond prices. Chinese markets painted a mixed picture. The Shanghai Composite hovered near 3,875, down 0.02%, while the SCSE component in Shenzhen added about 0.17%. The China A50 index slipped 0.17%, DJ Shanghai edged up 0.12%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng lost about 0.4%. Europe finds support while U.S. traders weigh conflicting data. Across Europe, futures pointed to a slightly firmer tone. DAX futures traded near 23,880, up about 0.79%. FTSE 100 futures gained 0.19%. CAC 40 futures rose 0.43%, and Eurostoxx 50 futures added roughly 0.41%. U.S. stock futures were mixed after Wall Street cash indices finished Thursday close to flat. Dow futures hovered around 47,850, down 0.07%, while S&P 500 futures inched up 0.11%, and Nasdaq futures rose 0.22%. Traders continued to chew over a series of U.S. data releases. A Labor Department report showed initial jobless claims dropped to their lowest level in more than 3 years, although analysts said the Thanksgiving holiday may have distorted the figures. A separate estimate from the Chicago Fed suggested the unemployment rate held near 4.4% in November. Factory orders lag forecasts as traders brace for key Fed decision. A delayed report from the Commerce Department showed factory orders rose 0.2%, missing expectations for a 0.5% increase. After an upward move in August was revised down to 1.3% as tariffs weighed on manufacturers. The closely watched non-farm payrolls report will not arrive on Friday, with the November figures scheduled for after the Federal Reserve's December meeting because of an extended government shutdown. Investors have turned to secondary indicators, even as the backlog of official data clears only slowly. Fed funds futures now imply nearly a 90% chance of a 25 basis point rate cut next Wednesday, up sharply from pricing a month ago, and analysts describe the gathering as one of the most finely balanced meetings in years, with several policymakers having spoken publicly against further easing. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Pi coin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Institutions are pouring in cash through ETFs. A violent move-up is next. XRP price prediction. Singapore approves Ripple for bank settlements. Can XRP 100x from here? Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Important data shows whales just bought $1.3 billion in XRP. XRP buying spree starting 12 hours ago. By Ahmed Balaha. Price analysis. Solana price prediction. Game-changing breakthrough as Solana tech powers Ethereum. Can SOL overtake ETH soon? 2 days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. 1 million new payments overnight. Is something big about to hit the market? 3 days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in December 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 7 hours ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in December 2025. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in December 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 10 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 11 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. Just now. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Ben Beto.